Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you can see we have another Coach unboxing. So I made my last order on the Canadian Coach website just before I'm flying back to Hong Kong later this week, and we have two items to unbox. It was sunny earlier. Unfortunately, the sun has gone. I hope this can be bright enough. We will start with this one. Both SLGs, as you can see. We don't have a new bag, but I thought I'd display my most recent purchases from Coach in the background. These were both ordered from the Coach outlet. And as you can see, they came factory wrapped. So this is the mini Rowan bag charm. I guess it's just the Rowan bag charm. And the reason why I ended up getting this is because I saw it online, and I recently purchased the powder pink Rowan bag charm from last year's powder pink edition, so the first version with the pink handles. And this will come in the signature denim, monogram denim. Inside we have like a navy blue, might not be so clear, yeah, like that on screen. And we also have tan colored vachetta as the handles. I just thought that this Rowan, I mean, the price of it isn't too crazy. I think it was 90 USD, or is it 90 Canadian? Let's see. Yep. So it was 90 Canadian and 75 USD. But the good thing about me buying it from the Canadian website is that I don't have to pay custom fees or duty fees for it to come from the US. So if I find it on the Canadian website, then often I prefer paying for it here rather than having to buy it from the US and pay custom fees. Yeah, I really like this bag charm. I mean, it fits like a lot of things, and I've recently been really into small like SLGs that could act as a bag charm. So this is my first item unboxing. You can see it does say the mini Rowan bag charm denim signature. And then the second item I actually wanted it to purchase for you guys. I mentioned previously in another video, another Coach unboxing video, that I will be doing a giveaway. I'm currently traveling, and I will be traveling when I get back to Hong Kong as well. But when I find time, I'm thinking on how to arrange the giveaway. I already unboxed one item, and this is the second item I plan to give away. So I'm likely to have 2 or 3 giveaways all in one go when I do it. And yeah, stay tuned for it. I'm sorry, I apologize that I keep mentioning it, but I just haven't had time to kind of arrange it. And I do plan to do that when I settle back in Hong Kong after my travels. So stay tuned. In the meantime, this is the second unboxing, an item that I will be giving away in due time. Dun, 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 dun. It is another corner zip wallet in this grained leather. Is it? Let me see what type of leather this is, but as you can see, the color is in the carnation pink. Because I plan to give this away, I'm not going to remove this, but this is how it looks. This looks really dark. I'm going to try to put these in the sun and I'm gonna try to put this in the sun to see if we could see this in better lighting. Let's see. Okay. Okay. In this powder pink large rowan, I keep most of my powder pink SLGs, and I also got the corner zip wristlet from the powder pink, which I have one that's extra unboxed, planning to give away to one of you guys when I have the time, and then this will be the second one that I plan to give away as well in the carnation pink. And inside, I'm planning to add some of maybe perfume from the LV collection because I have a ton. So I'm still thinking on what I would like to give out. And when I go back, I will have a think, be a little bit patient. And when I go back to Hong Kong, I will have a think, and just stay tuned, guys. But these two pink items are part of the giveaway, and an addition to my rowan family, this baby rowan bag charm. Let's see how she'll look. I've been having so much fun playing with these two bags recently. So I'm really glad that I got these from Coach, and I can play with their bag charms. A mini rowan for each, powder pink and the denim. So this is the Love Denim collection, and this is actually the signature denim, but I think the bit of contrast, and also because it's denim matchy, yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you guys again. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Sun on my face, I'm out the door. Shoes in my hand, feet on the floor. City behind me, getting small. I don't look back, not at all. Wind in my hair, heart in the sound. Laughing like I got no doubt. I lost the map, I found the spark. We chased the day into the dark. No more waiting, no more chains.